Ethereum. You can see Ethereum's the same thing. It has to get above and stay on top of the 1685, and you can see right now it briefly again, just like it did here, it fell back through it, held it as resistance. It's back up on top of it again, but it's looking like it's having a hard time holding. If it can hold this top side and it can trade up and continue up into this little mini bull run and try to make a run up there to 2167, but if it falls back below it, holds the 200-day and then comes back up and retests and fails and falls below the 200-day, that's very bearish, and that would bring you down to this uptrending green ring at about $1,269 to $1,276. So that's a critical area. And the Ethereum price that we're watching, Cardano is the same thing. This is our underneath target on lower support. If you can't hold this descending brief lower support that you can see it bounce there, but the price and the volume is not looking too strong. If you come back down and you can hold this, you can kick up and try to make a run at this 48 to 56 cents level up there, or the 56 cent level up here, right? Even a little bit higher. But if you come back down and you start dancing on this, getting rejected by the 200-day above it now and come back through, you're going to trade down towards your lower support, and that's what we're watching out for, and that's the critical spot for Cardano.